We hope you enjoyed
today's video.
Mommy?
Yes, sweetie?
I got one last flower.
Okay, you can put it with the other flowers. This looks so perfect.
I like how you set up the altar.
Thank you, sweetie.
I love you, Mommy. The Day of the Dead is my favorite holiday.
It's mine too.
Izzy wanted to read you a Day of the Dead story. Oh, I can't wait. I want to learn more about it. Okay, I'm going to go get the book right now.
Okay, Mom.
Hi, Grace.
Hi, Chelsea.
I hope Izzy's home so we can play with her.
Yeah. I have this new ball. Maybe you and Izzy can play with me.
Yeah, that sounds a good idea.
That. Hey, I think I can see Chelsea and Grace. Okay, they can come in if you want them to come.
Chelsea, Izzy, I missed you. I hadn't seen you since our play date. Hi, Grace.
Hi, Izzy.
Why are you still decorating for Halloween?
No, it's the Day of the Dead.
What's that?
It's a holiday, a Mexican holiday.
Why do we celebrate it?
We celebrate it because of our loved ones. See, that one's Angela, that one's Cookie, that's my great-grandma, that's my great-grandpa.
Oh.
Girls, I was about to read Izzy a story about the traditions of Day of the Dead. Would you guys like to listen to it?
Yes!
And this is the book I wanted to read to you. It's called Celebrating Dia de los Muertos by Melanie Stewart Campbell.
Story time! Story time! Story time!
Okay, girls, settle down. Let's read a little bit. So you guys asked, what is Dia de los Muertos? Dia de los Muertos is Spanish for Day of the Dead. This holiday began in Mexico, but there are similar celebrations in many parts of the world. People who celebrate Dia de los Muertos believe that the souls of their loved ones who have passed away will come back to visit them. It is a happy time when family and close friends living and in spirit are believed to reunite and enjoy music, gifts, and food together. The festivities happen over 2 days every year, November 1st and 2nd, and are full of color and joy. People participate in parades and parties, dress in skeleton costumes, sing and dance, and give the spirit of those they love. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful way for families to keep the memories of their loved ones alive. Now, if you girls see our altar over there, and I'll show you in just a moment, we have the picture of my grandparents, their food. Let's go take a look, girls.
Okay.
Okay, Izzy, do you want to show your friends our altar?
Yes, I do. This is my great-grandma, this is my great-grandpa, this is Cookie, and that's Angela.
Can I see? Wait, why do you have these pillows? You're supposed to pick them up.
No, our spirits from my beloved ones, when they smell it, they will come and see the altar when we made for them.
That must be Cookie or Angela. Wait, it's Dash, Rookie.
Izzy, sweetie, do you want to tell your friends about the food on the altar?
Yes. So my great-grandma, my great-grandpa used to love Doritos and chocolate, and this is Day of the Dead bread.
That sounds good. And just in case if they come here, if they're very thirsty from their long trip, we leave a glass of water.
Oh, okay. Now I know about this day.
Yes. Now let's go back to the book, and there's a couple other things that I want to read to you guys. And after that, we can play a couple games.
Oh,
Yay!
and I forgot. This is called an altar.
Why does it call an altar?
I don't know. My mommy will tell about it.
Yes, I will read about it in the book and explain to you.
Yay!
Since you just saw our altar, let's read about it. An ofrenda or altar is an important part of Dia de los Muertos celebrations. Unlike most altars, though, it is for remembering, not worshiping. Found in homes and cemeteries, the ofrenda is an entryway for spirits to meet up with their living loved ones. Ofrendas for Dia de los Muertos are always colorful and welcoming. They are often created on a raised surface and may even have different levels. Each ofrenda tells something about the loved one who died. It displays their photo and is usually decorated with candles, food, and colorful marigold flowers. The scent and gold color of the marigold are believed to help guide the spirits home. Sometimes the flowers are even made of paper. An incense called copal may be burned near the altar, so its sweet smell will also help the spirit find their way home. You may even see a welcome mat placed before the altar. A papel picado, a colorful paper banner, is sometimes used to decorate the ofrenda. The ofrendas are taken down during the evening of November 2nd. All right, girls. Now that I read to you what an altar is, do you guys understand what the altar is?
Yes!
Okay, great. The book also has a fun little game that I think you guys will like. Do you guys want to try a game?
Yes!
Okay.
Yes!
It's called Pin the Hat and the Skeleton. And I think that I have all the stuff. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go get that stuff and then we can play. Who wants to go first?
Me!
Okay, here you go, Izzy. Now, what you're going to do is, because I do not have something to cover your eyes with, I'm sorry, you're going to have to walk backwards or sideways with your head turned.
Like this?
Yes, like that.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Easy, go! Maybe here? You did it, Izzy! Yay! I did it!
Izzy, that was almost perfect. It is perfect, I think. How is that? Your first try. Good job.
Thank you, Mommy! Yay! I knew I was the expert at this game.
All right, girls, who's going next?
Reese, you can go next. Yay! Where could it be? No, not there, maybe. It has to be here. Am I right? Am I right?
No, Grace, you're wrong.
Oh, man. Chelsea, you can go now.
Okay.
Go, Chelsea! Go, Chelsea! You can do it! Go!
It might be here.
Is that correct?
No, Chelsea, but you're very close.
Oh, man. I lost. It's okay. More games, the better.
Okay, girls, now that we're done with pinning the hat and the skeleton, I found this other great book, Dia de los Muertos coloring book for kids. And let's go ahead and color some pages so we can put on our beautiful altar.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, Miss Sarah.
Okay, go ahead and start, girls.
Izzy, thank you for telling us about the Day of the Dead.
You're welcome. Now you know all about it.
Yay! Okay, I need purple.
Chelsea, I like how you're coloring the pictures so far.
Thank you. I like yours.
Thank you. I like yours so much. This is my favorite holiday.
It's becoming the best Day of the Dead ever!
Now
Yay!
you girls know all about it.
Thank you for teaching us.
You're welcome.
All right, girls, your moms just called me. You guys need to head home.
Okay. That was all fun activities and coloring what we did.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Goodbye.